So guys, we were able to make another 5 million naira in 3 weeks doing what anybody can do with our smartphone and from the comfort of our home. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact process I followed to actually achieve this so you can replicate it and make the same money for yourself. So without any further ado, let's go there. A few months ago, I made a video where I said I made 10 million naira in 3 months with my phone. And this month again, I almost replicated it, but this time around, just 5 million naira. Now, how did it happen? Now, last month, I traveled to Onitsha to see my younger brother. On getting there, I ran out of cash. As a digital marketer that I am, something came into my head. Solo, you know what to do. If you are conversant with this channel, I always tell you that for you to make money online, you need just two things. One is you have to look for a product or a service to sell. And the number two thing is how to sell them. If you have any of this, either a product or a service, you are good to go. Just learn how to sell them and you will never be poor in your life. I don't need to start selling services this time around because I have to pass through a lot of processes, including looking for clients. I don't have that time, so I needed to go for product. I went into Onitsha main market and started looking for what to sell. Personally, I'm very much interested in gadgets, so I went to the phone accessories side of the market, and then I saw something that I liked. I have been using this thing, but it never occurred to me. And I can't know say, if you broke, the kind of idea where go they come your head. In short, if you want get idea, just think when you dey broke, you go see say how to make money go come your head. So my eye opened on that particular thing I have been using, and this thing is called OTG. Let me show you. So this is an OTG. This is one that is left. Now, this OTG is in two forms. One is a flash, normal flash, but it has two heads. One is for your smartphone and the other one is for your computer. Now, this one is just like a USB drive. It doesn't have a memory. You can actually slot in your flash. You can now use your flash drive on your phone. With this one again, you can as well use your memory card as your external memory on your phone. Now, this is a very important tool. Instead of buying flash, they buy memory card, which is far cheaper, then plot it in here and be able to use it in several other phones. You can see we have something that is simple but very, very important. I don't need to spend money buying them and keeping them. I don't need it at all at all. That is where digital marketing is very, very sweet. That is the importance of this strategy. Now, I had to go back to the market and look for somebody who can sell in wholesale so I can get it at a good price. So when I found this guy, I now told this guy, how much are you going to be giving me this at a wholesale price? He said 700 naira. I told him, okay, there is no problem. I'm going to be getting customers to buy it. Then when they pay, I'll send you the money and send you their location. So you deliver to their location. Now, instead of 700 naira, I will add extra 300 naira for the stress you are going to be going through. So I'll be paying you 1,000 naira per product sold. The guy became very, very happy, said it's okay. Now, this thing is called drop shipping. So drop shipping is different from affiliate marketing in the sense that in affiliate marketing, they pay you commission, but in drop shipping, you pay yourself. This is a business model you can start if you don't have capital. Now that we have a product, the question is, how do we sell it? So I'm going to be walking you through the process as if you're selling digital products and physical products. So the first step on the sales method is to set up a social media account, right? I will always suggest TikTok. TikTok is more friendly and filled with youths that are into content creation. So you're going to actually make more customers here. So set up a new account or you use your old account. But the reason I always tell you to set up new account is that maybe first 3 videos will always reach more than 1,000 views, and that's a whole lot. So I assume we have set up the TikTok account. The next thing is to set up a sales page. What is a sales page? A sales page is just like your store, your online store, just like you have your shop offline where people will come, read about the product and pay there. So this is going to help us automate the payment system. Instead of having to chat with the person, we want to automate the system so that when we wake up in the morning, we will see a lot of sales have gone on. So I used Selar.com to do this. Now on Selar.com, you will set up the sales page, write everything about it, and then upload the pictures of the product. And that is it. Now, if you don't know how to do this, I can help you do it, but it's not free. Always remember, but it's not something so big. How I did it is I went to ChatGPT and told ChatGPT to write me a sales copy that is meant to convert a visitor into a buyer. The product is an OTG, which is used to slot a memory card for external use. I uploaded the picture of the OTG so it will understand better, and I tell it to write a compelling sales copy that will help me sell it. And I copied it, went to Selar.com arranged it as an expert. I already know how to do it. Uploaded more of the pictures, and that is it. Now, you don't really need to do all this. This is a physical product, it's not a digital product. They already don't see what they won't buy. No need of so much stock. You just need a payment system. The next thing is, how do we get people to come to the page so they can buy it? This is where the sales starts properly. Now, for you to always sell something, I always tell you that it is two methods. One is the organic method, while the other one is the inorganic method. Now, the organic method is the natural method where you sell it naturally without spending money. Maybe through your content, by posting on your WhatsApp status, by telling people in your church. Now, anybody who buys it is an organic buyer. You generated it organically. You didn't spend a dime. Now, the other method is the inorganic method. That is not natural. The method where you have to artificially manipulate the market to actually generate the sales. Maybe through Facebook ads, you pay an influencer, you just spend money to make the sales come faster. Now, the thing between these two is that the inorganic method is more consistent and has more chances to generate sales faster. Why? Because you have to be able to target the exact people that would want this product. While the other one is like, you try your luck, anybody that comes, good. You start talking about the product every time and people will be buying, small. While the other one, you just target the exact people we go need, and content creators, civil servants, and the rest of them people. So the advert will just go straight to those people. So there are more chances that they buy it than the one you created for everybody. So that is the difference between inorganic and the organic method. Because I wanted the money fast, I chose the inorganic method, and then I used TikTok ads. Because TikTok has a lot of young creators who understand these things and they would need it. So that is where I made a lot of money. So I set up my TikTok ads, copied the link to the Selar account, and pasted it as the landing page. That is when they click on learn more, to take them to that my sales page. Then they buy from there. Now, if you want to learn it, I'm going to drop the link to the course that taught me how to run TikTok ads, so you can get it too. That is the best and easiest way to actually make this money. The ads started running. Day one, I made just one sale. Day two, I made 5 sales, and that is how it increased. And I was spending 1,000 naira for the product, then spending 4,000 naira per day on ads. Now I am selling the product for 8,000 naira. Somebody's going to say this is too much, it's too much. Now let me tell you something. People who buy something online are rich people. They are ready to spend more because they don't have the time to go into the market to start getting it, right? Especially when you sell a product they can't find easily. OTG, you don't find it easily. Many people don't even know about it. That's why I'm selling it like that. You've been doing it before. I know people are going to buy it. I will just make a simple calculation. On the 5th day, I made 18 sales. Multiply 18 times 8,000, then subtract the 4,000 naira ad spent. That is how much I made that day. Now, this is how I continued selling this product for 3 weeks. And that was how I made up to 5 million naira on this product. Now, you don't have money to actually run ads. We're going to tell you how you're going to do it organically, that is naturally. So what I'm going to do is, after I have set up my sales page, it's totally free. I said if you don't know how to set it up, you can pay me small money and then we'll set it up for you. Just send me a DM. Now, after you've set it up, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to act as a social media strategist, generate a 30 days content calendar to sell an OTG that is used to connect external memory for smartphones. Put the picture there. 50% of this content should give value, while 40% should be for sales and 10% should be relatable content to be posted on TikTok. Include the complete script for these contents. ChatGPT is going to give you a complete 30 days content calendar for this post. The only thing you need to do is to start making this post and posting. Now, this is where you're going to have problem. Remember, on TikTok, if you don't have up to 1,000 followers, you can't add link to your bio. What link are we talking about? The link to your sales page on Selar. That is what you need to give people who want to buy so they can pay there and then the money comes to you. Now, what you're going to do is either add your WhatsApp number on your bio so people who want it can send you message on WhatsApp. At the end of your content, I always tell them to send you message on WhatsApp or send you a DM. Now, when they send you a DM, you can now send the link to them there through the DM. So with that, you'll be able to actually make your sales automatically or on your WhatsApp. Now, do this consistently. Before you know it, you will hit 1,000 followers. Once you've hit 1,000 followers, take the link to the sales page and add it on your bio. Now your sales is totally automatic. Make your content and tell them if they want it, they should click on the link on the bio to get it, right? That is it. Now, let me tell you the advantage of this one. You have playfully started an e-commerce business, all right? So once you are done with that product, look for another amazing product and start talking about it like that. You have started a business online for yourself. I am not telling you what I don't know. I'm telling you what I know and I've done and taught people how to do it over time. And TikTok is going to be showing your content to people who always buy such products, and like that you build a community where you sell this thing. And now you started this business without having a single product of your own. So this is how I was able to actually make up to 5 million naira for myself in 3 weeks, selling what is not my own with my smartphone and from the comfort of my own. The problem you have is laziness. Now this is what I would suggest. If you really want to do this business and start an e-commerce business very, very well, I will suggest you learn how to run TikTok ads or Facebook ads. So I'm going to be adding the link to that will teach you that. The ones that taught me how to run these ads and get results, I'll link it in the description bar. This is for people who are ready, but you can still do it totally by yourself by just following the organic method. Find the product, discuss with the owner of the product, tell ChatGPT to give you content ideas, start creating the content talking about the product, and sales will start coming, I mean, whether you like it or not. All right, gradually, and like that, you have a business of your own. My name is Solomon. Like, waiting at the talk, it makes sense at all? I beg, if it makes sense, come to the comment section and say, Solo, they make sense. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you never subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you wait for. This is Dollar Scale, and here we teach you different ways you can make money online with your smartphone from the comfort of your home. Break down AI process of making money, and we also test our website that promises to pay you, and if the work, we bring it down here for you to go through them and make money for yourself. So this is where we're going to be ending it up today. I'm sure you are able to learn something from this video. All right, we are not monetized here. Please, I beg you to subscribe to this channel and share it so that more people can watch the video so we get monetized. That is the only way you empower us. I'm Solomon Choose. Once again, I sign out. See you on the next one.